In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix black and white screen problem on Samsung phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So there's a few different reasons that it could be done. So first, you want to check the modes and routines. This is the most common cause. Samsung's sleep mode automatically turns the screen grayscale to reduce eye strain and dopamine levels before bed. So what you want to do is open up your settings application and then go ahead and find modes and routines. Go ahead and click on it and then tap sleep. Now, if it says active, you want to go ahead and turn it off. To prevent this from happening again while keeping sleep mode on, tap change settings and then find grayscale. And then all you're going to do is remove it from the list of actions because it's not going to be something that you want. Now, if the screen is grayscale but sleep mode is off, an accessibility feature is likely active. So what you want to do is go back to settings, then go ahead and find accessibility. Once you find accessibility, click on it and then tap on vision enhancements. Then look for color adjustment or color correction. So just look for anything like that. Ensure the toggle is set to off because if it's on, people might have accidentally turned it on and then it might have, changed the colors to a lot blander of a version as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.